You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bag.
Hey y'all, it's me again. How y'all doing today? Hey y'all, I'm trying to stay consistent, hitting y'all with 3 a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If not, you're still gonna get 3. Might not be a Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But anyway, today we install this, and fingers crossed, we get clutch movement like we should. So, without further ado, let me go ahead and snatch this one off, get that one installed, bring the car down, and we're gonna test this bad boy. He didn't do it often. Yeah, it's a pro. You see that over there?
Hey, my man, did they live far away? Did they live far away?
No washers came with that shit. Go ahead. Yep. I ain't got no fluid. Oh! Hey. I'm not getting no movement down here. Alright, so we're still having issues getting proper movement out of this. And we think it might be the dampener, which is right here. So we're gonna disconnect that, go straight to the slave and see that. Alright guys, so we took the dampener out of the equation, which is this right here. Went straight from the hard line, the braided line, to the hose into the slave, and still no pressure. I'm thinking this might be the problem. So, no dice on this video, but hey, you win some, you lose some. From that, appreciate y'all watching. Thank y'all so much, and I'll catch y'all next video.